Here's how to enable VSync through the Nvidia app. Open the Nvidia app and click Graphics on the left sidebar. Select the Global Settings at the top. Scroll down through the list and find Vertical Sync. Click the drop-down next to it. It will likely be set to Use the 3D Application setting by default. You have several options. On forces VSync at all times. Adaptive enables it only when your frame rate exceeds your monitor's refresh rate and disables it when below. This avoids the input lag of traditional VSync at lower frame rates. Fast is similar but uses a different method to reduce tearing with less performance penalty. Click the information icon next to Vertical Sync to read what each option does before choosing. Selecting the wrong mode for your setup is a common mistake. Adaptive is a good starting point for most gaming scenarios. One important note, in-game VSync settings often override what you set here in the Nvidia app. If you enable VSync through the app, but the game has its own VSync option in its graphics settings set to off, the game will use its own setting. Always check both places. Use the program settings instead of global settings if you only want VSync applied to specific games rather than everything. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.